Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now you found this video because you're searching for a working method on how to get Helldivers 2 for free on PlayStation 5 or PC or Steam. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that today. It's super easy. This is going to get you Helldivers 2 for free on whatever platform you choose, and it's completely free. It takes a few minutes, super easy. It's working in 2024, and yeah, let me run through these steps. You need to use your mobile phone for this, so make sure you have an internet connection, of course. Have a mobile phone and go to this website, www.speedycoupons.com. So you just got to head over to Speedy Coupons and go to the search bar, search for Helldivers, and you're looking for the Helldivers 2 free digital game code. Click on that and scroll down, and you can see these coupons are limited, so you've got to make sure there's still some left. And you need to choose the platform. You can get Helldivers 2 for free on PlayStation 5, PC or Steam. I personally play on PlayStation, so what you're going to need to do is just click on show code, and you can see, guys, you need to unlock your game code. This is because people actually create robots to steal all of these codes, so this allows one code per person. You just need to verify you are a real person. So to do that, you tap unlock code. Now I'm not going to do it, I've already got the game and I want to save these codes for you guys, but basically when that reaches 100% you're going to see a new screen and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It takes a few minutes. You need to just complete a couple of these free tasks. Super easy. I know it's annoying, but you are getting a free game for this, so I think it's worth it. So yeah, just follow the instructions and you're going to get your game code. Once you have the fully unlocked code, you can then go ahead, enter it into the PlayStation or Steam store, wherever you choose, and it's going to download the full copy of Helldivers 2, and that's going to be completely free. Super easy. Head over to speedycoupons.com and yeah, follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video and also on the website, and that's going to get you the full game, and it is a fun one. So yeah, enjoy, guys. Any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Please smash that like button if you got your free game. That would really help my channel out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.